This program meets everything that I wanted a program to meet. In the heart of a great city, and then within my cohort right now, there are 54 other students. Every month I get an opportunity to meet with them, interact with them, and grow a diverse professional network and organization of my own, and that is invaluable.
For me, the program, the best benefit has been that it has just dramatically broadened my business perspective. You get that from the program instruction, but you also really get it from learning from your peers and their experiences.
The thing that the program has meant to me is the network. I mean, that's why I joined this program. It's really all about the network. These are people I can learn from. These are people that I'm becoming friends with. And really, that's the most important thing.
The faculty here is very responsive to our needs.
A piece of advice I give new students is take everything you're learning each month and then bring it back to what you currently do and think about how what you just learned can be applied to either your current line of work or maybe a new line of work you've been thinking about.
So the piece of advice I would tell a new student would be to talk to their partner and also talk to the people who they work for and let them understand the workload that you're going to be under for the next 16 months.
My advice would be to come into it with an open mind and to just really listen to what your classmates are saying.
It's near impossible not to grow individually, but it also comes with needing to have just a growth mindset in the first place.
Get the most out of every single class. So even the classes that might seem easy because it's mostly reading or maybe it's not as quantitative, if there are case studies, read them all the way through multiple times because these stories are important and living through each of these cases really helps you in the long run because as you encounter those experiences as executives, you'll be able to apply what you learned in your books, and that's really the value that the program has.